Viva J Records.
Oh, you can't do. See why it mix or got it. Huh? Emini Bado. Bado. All I mean, thank you.
TY Mix. In June.
Say, Otatolo who fait pas no fitilada. Ba mi so for show le pa injege brecha. Otatolo who fait pas no fitilada. Ba mi so for show le pa oluwaja. See every day we dey make money. Pay me my money, no tell me story. They want know how we dey take it and win. Them no know. Day and night now walk. We dey pop champagne. We dey celebrate. I want you want be no. Day and night now walk. We dey pop champagne. We dey celebrate. And I want you want be no. See everything we are being to the Adoralo movie. See everything we are being to the Adoralo movie.
Mo wá sí sọ́tẹ̀ ẹgbẹ́ni tí ó nílé. Mo wá rẹ́kọ̀lé bẹ́ẹ̀ lọ sórílẹ̀. Ìyá jẹ mí, ó tún mọ́ mi lé. Wọ́n lé mi pa, wọ́n ní mi ò lé. Ojú ẹni màá láàárí ọ̀nù. Àwọn ọmọ aráyé onísọnù. Dem say you wan love on you. Ẹlẹ́tẹ̀ we are waiting on you. So I carry my load, I carry my bag. I go studio, I go studio right. Kabasa tó ní I got your back when I come blow. Wọ́n ní pé mo rà á. Ẹjọ́ lè fẹ́ràn ẹlẹ́tẹ̀ can do méje. They no see me back there when I dey chop is already agege. Now then they carry my matter they go. Meet Babalawo because I dey blow. Baba where they follow me for Instagram and Twitter. Baba where they come my show.
See everything we
End
are
of
being to the
discussion. I don't feel thank you. I tell what I make it change. If I want mellows, make it. I tell what I make it. If I want mellows, make it. For you guys. You guys are smelling. F9, let it feel. Good shit. Okay. Turn up.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, now welcome back. Now still the late night show on top of Wazobia TV. Now, I want to bring my second guest into the building. She now that young CEO and that baby they make things happen. Now, this one carry waka come out small from inside the makeup every. She just enter into the fashionista things. I want to say touch of cloth and every. She like cloth that preciously. But they combine the very best of combinations when it comes to anything clothing. She na still presenter too, and na still hustler she be. But she also na CEO on her own. Ladies and gentlemen, we're gonna help me make welcome all the way from Wazobia FM. We're gonna help me make welcome Cheche Smith as she come into the building. Beautiful and every. Oh, blogger, yeah. Ew, my label.
Ogwe.
Hey,
The soup.
just carry this Ogwe thing. Sit down, my dear. Sit down, my dear.
The soup
How
himself.
are you?
I did.
Now only you they always call me soup.
The soup himself.
So now I say no. I say.
Not to find swallow.
Una carry malice enter this place.
Mayowa.
No place. These
These are my person now, you know.
Ladies and gentlemen, I get two Ogbonge CEOs seated with me in the studio. You know, applause now. You they look me, they lost after me. They look like say they lost after me.
As I see Cheche here, I just... Eh?
No, they look like say they lost after
Why
me.
could they lost after
Don't look, don't forget yourself. Don't they look like this? What's wrong with you?
As not on the way red together. It's
This
okay.
are red. Because they be like say
I'll
one
go
thing.
change my own now.
It's okay.
But nice to have you here, Cheche. Nice to have you here, Cheche.
Nice one.
Now you be the CEO of
Cheche Smith.
Cheche Smith Nation.
Yes.
Fashionista things.
Yes.
Now, before I have to do enter into too much of that talk, family first, make I talk because we'll get one argument where they follow Mayowa argue just now. Also approaching things. We'll go still reach there. We'll still reach there. But what do you feel about this issue of like I asked her earlier, women and coming into business and owning your own business these days, why you feel say most women need to enter this particular level? Where too often I don't day now.
It is very necessary for you as a person to do that kind of thing. But really, if you be woman where be say you don't already discover yourself, you already know what you want, you know the lane where you want to go, then you don't need to allow maybe waiting your man go tell you the decisions one I go make to feel affect you in a way where be say you go come push your dream aside, begin they do other things where you're not supposed to.
Okay, first of all, now you just talk about dream aside now.
Yes.
Now me say first, as a woman, you got to own your own dream
You go
first.
own them first.
Before you enter into anything with any man, say one thing,
Anything at all. So you know they go there, make you go discover yourself. You don't already know yourself, know who you be before you enter into anything with any man.
Very, very valid point. Very, very valid point. As a woman, first discover yourself first before you can go to enter into any form of relationship or marriage. Before you can say you want to go to discover yourself first. Because at the end of the day, if you don't go discover yourself, you go help the man they achieve just in your own dreams.
You go lose yourself.
Okay, so as long as you feel lose yourself as a woman.
You go lose yourself. Begin do any other thing where we say you just fine. At the end of the day, you'll find out say the happiness you no go get because down inside, you get somebody where you be where you don't lock up. Yes.
Very, very deep things. Now you just say like this. Now.
You don't happen.
And the prisoner to Mrs. Jayla. Now, onto fashion now.
Yes.
Onto fashion. First, what you study for university?
Tourism.
Tourism.
Yes.
Now, how you take blend? Where tourism and fashion take jam?
Well, naturally, I become that kind of person where we say, I tell people about fashion, it be like say they just, Oyibo people go say, you're born for this. You understand? When I did small, you get this particular slippers where my mama buy for me, then I still remember.
Okay.
Where we say, if I know where I know go feel come off for house. Then they wonder. Every time they go, they pursue me come out from mirror. What thing should they do for there? Sometimes I go carry powder. Like say I want to go rub them, then I go just paste my face because my sister and a makeup artist and she be. So I believe say she take that side. But me, I love colors. I they like all those things where be say if I see person, I go they look the person. This person no dress well. Suppose put this thing with this thing. Suppose be like this. Then aside that because the first place where I start with shoes.
Okay.
I tell people say I build my own shoes very soon.
Cheche Smith Nation. You know what it
not be only museum when I go see shoes. And no, it start from there. So from there now, people come they tell me say, okay, we love actually their dress. Person go one ask. They argue something about fashion. They go say go ask Cheche and all that because from school then if they want dress they say color you can wear this or wear that. Then I remember one friend of mine come they tell me say. You not stylist, they don't turn to another thing. Then they could always they throw that joke where they say, if you need somebody to dress you, then you need to call Cheche.
Okay.
You understand?
So that be the kind thing where they know you for that year for school. I noticed you now want earring in your ear like this.
Yes.
So I plan have been a mistake.
No, I do this one on.
Okay. So one ear.
I feel buy earring where they to now go dash person one.
So
because
I see like this now.
Yes.
Say you know say some of our mama they way they outside there. Then they look say irresponsible. These children hellfire.
You know one thing about fashion where we say people don't really need to understand what you they do.
Okay.
They don't need to understand. They go see them, then they go want them.
Okay.
By the time you don't need to, I always tell people say you go do that thing. Now every fashion sense where you see, every style where you see, in a person start them.
Okay.
You understand? Okay. Imagine say I wake up for morning now, I just decide to use this plantain leaf, so skirt, and I come out maybe beaded skirt and all that. I come out and you love them. Tomorrow you know go want me this one for you.
Okay.
So fashion is something where we say need to discover. And when
you
discover
fashion no get one route, say it must be.
I always like call myself fashion rebel. I won't do that thing where we say nobody won't do.
Fashion rebel.
Yes, we'll be outcast.
So that means tomorrow now, if you just wake up now, you'll use button. You know go wear cloth, just sew button together, just until make one thing.
It happened. Sometime last month, they get one fashion show where they organize, and then somebody wear fruits, everything where she wear.
Fruits.
Na fruit. You go see pineapples, you go see carrots, orange, everything her bead, na fruit bead. Then the slippers, fruit slippers, and everything. But immediately she entered, everybody was like, oh, edgy, something very wonderful.
Something edgy. But for your makeup now, for makeup, like this one that she mentioned about fruits now. You are more into makeup things, and she's more on the fashion side. So because that fruit thing, now the edge with that. Onto edgery,
Make you don't fall off from the edge.
Because some makeup they will see. My sister. How I take they handle people that will get some kind of face. Some people their face. You as makeup artist. Una they try. Because some face they will go see the contour of every and the layer of the skin, the scraping and everything. How I think they survive?
You get something we want popular makeup artist talk Bobby Brown. Bobby Brown talk say if you don't get the love for people's faces, you know if you become a makeup
so you got to get love for people's face.
You got to love everybody's face. You got to see something about somebody's face where you feel change.
Because some faces they don't see, and some of your works like that I don't see for Instagram.
Yes.
With some people's face on
now
a
that,
natural.
I know.
On a natural, their own face cause conversion for picking. But when they can't touch up the makeup and everything, they'll come, they're okay. They say, you must see a mirror, shout for person. But seriously, so you got to get love first.
Yes, you got to get love for the person's face.
Okay.
For anybody's face.
Okay.
Because sometimes now when I look Cheche face now, I know they see say she get pimples.
Okay.
I they look waiting be that thing where I go feel use cover the pimples.
Okay.
Now waiting in my mind.
Okay.
If I they look somebody, maybe I they look nothing concern me with waiting you wear. The way where she go, they look how the person take combine.
Exactly.
Me, I go, they look, why this guy brows can't be like this now? Kai then put too much contour for here.
Yeah.
Now waiting at the look. Now that makeup, he even pass face alone. I feel give girl, we get belly. It get as I go contour her belly, you go think say she get abs.
Okay.
So it pass, you have to love human skin
First.
before you go feed do makeup.
Before you do
And then
makeup.
if you, the first way be say they easily irritated, you know if you do makeup. Because some people face, if you see eczema, we full am. So you know go the first way be say, I don't want touch her face.
Yes.
I don't want this. I don't want that. Because some people then get, like, you get one of my friends, Shine. For her nose, she get holes.
Okay. So some people they get stretch mark for face.
Different things. She get holes. You understand? Now, if I dey look the face, when
Yes.
I been they do her wedding makeup,
Yes.
no be the holes I they see. I they look the day I cover these holes.
Yes.
I know say yes, I don't reach another level.
So more like solution provider.
Thank you.
They look the person, they find how you take solve
Thank
the
you.
problem.
Because for you to be a makeup artist, you go enjoy and when person come out and they look beautiful, not be pride. It just feels good when you know say now you give person another level of confidence.
All right, Cheche. Now, this on solution providing now. For you now, when you see people, what will be the worst form of styling where you don't style anybody? Where people don't understand, but you on your own, you know what you see, but later people can't appreciate them.
Okay, get one wedding where I've been go last month.
Okay.
Make I break them now where it start from. So you get this particular jacket, they call them kimono jacket.
Kimono jacket.
Yes.
All right.
So the stylist, the person will make them really bring them, give me. As she make them, she can't say she don't know what she go use combine this thing.
Okay.
And she don't know how to wear them. But now jacket now it be a very dramatic jacket.
Okay.
Now I tell her make she bring them. She bring them. I say okay, keep them. I say watch out on Saturday. How I go take wear them. I want wear them personally, not be to style person now. I want wear them to show her how they supposed to wear them. So I put one or two things together. I wear them go wedding. I not talk anything about them. I no Twitter, I no do any Instagram work. Then at the wedding, I find I say everybody they come where I did. What are you wearing? How did you do it? Is this a dress? They almost want pull everything off. They say make I see how we did. Then everybody take pictures and all that. So I come post them for Instagram. Then my tailor, one of the tailors, come immediately. How? I need to see the jacket. I said no problem. How did you do it? I want to see. At the end of the day, the jacket now. The trend everywhere.
Yeah, even me as well.
They form to trend.
Even me as well.
You see your own.
I get my own.
But it just goes to show you, say most of the time, you got to get your own eye
Exactly.
for something. You know, I think it is very, very important for women out there to make sure say they chook their hand into different kind of hustle. Now, this now young ladies, then, when they make sure say they don't depend on any form of man assistance, even though at the end of the day, they don't say yes, you go see the under man, but necessarily you got to be the help where God don't put for any man life. So on that P, ladies and gentlemen, we'll go mark this break with this funny video. And by the time we come back, we'll just do one small thing, then we'll wrap up the whole show. All right? Now still the Young CEO's Day, so we're not go anywhere. We'll stay there on top of the late night show. All right? So IzyBeat, carry us come out and we'll come back. All right?
Everything nice and everything good. Yeah, I can see the ginger. Loving you, loving you. Loving you, loving you. Your man is loving you. Loving you, loving you.